I'm Stephen Jack Butala,
And I'm Jill DeWitt.
and we are the founders of Land Academy.
We provide the education, tools, and support you need to be flipping property like the pros.
Over the years, many individuals have asked to learn from us in a personalized one-on-one type of environment. Well, that wait's over, and Jill and I are excited to be announcing the release of Land Academy Career Path.
We are going to personally be working with 15 hand-selected individuals and tailoring a program to fit exactly where you are and what you need.
Who is it for?
Career Path is meant for beginners or established investors. We can help you start your business or build an existing one. Remember, it's personalized to you. The perfect candidate is someone who's already been successful in another type of business, maybe owned a few businesses, is financially stable, and looking to move into real estate investing. But hey, if you have the entrepreneurial spirit and are ready to take the leap, then we want you regardless of your background.
What are the details?
This is a 10-week virtual program limited to 15 attendees since run directly by us. And the first session starts this April 2021.
Where can we sign up?
Enrollment is open now, and the details are available at landacademy.com/career path. We aren't taking just anyone. There is a brief application process. We want to make sure we're all a good fit, and we handpick the individuals that we know will succeed. Upon completion, all attendees will be added to the Land Academy Advanced Group, get front-of-the-line deal funding, and more. Again, only 15 at a time, and spots are filling up fast. You can find out the details at landacademy.com/career path.
And you are not alone in your real estate ambition.